Today, let's look at the Adamma masquerade. Is Adamma really a female masquerade? The Igbos are people who hold the masquerade festivals at a very high esteem. Amongst these masquerades is the unique Adamma masquerade that stands out because of its physical appearance and beauty. This masquerade is said to have originated from Enugu State. The reason to why it was born isn't clear, since women are prohibited from joining the masquerade cult. But there are two myths on how the masquerade came into existence. One of them says that in the olden days, a village beauty was abducted by enemy warriors who kept her in their camp for many years. She eventually escaped back to her village with scars all over her beautiful face. Saying that she has lost the beauty that she was once known for, she felt inferior and decided to hide herself from the public. But the villagers came together to create a feminine masquerade to honor Adamma. This masquerade depicts her beautiful face and her wonderful dancing step. The second myth has it that the masquerade was created